The future is now. Introducing Flexsim 2025. Imagine a world where you can predict the future, not with a crystal ball, but with powerful software. What if you could see how changes to a factory floor would impact production? What if you could test new ideas without any real-world risk? That's the power of simulation, and Flexsim 2025 is taking it to a whole new level. But what exactly is Flexsim 2025, and how does it work its magic? Flexsim 2025 is a cutting-edge simulation software designed to model and analyze complex systems. Think factories, hospitals, even entire cities. It uses three-dimensional visuals to create a digital twin of your system, allowing you to run experiments and see the results in a safe virtual environment. But here's the real kicker. Flexsim 2025 goes beyond just visualizing. It lets you analyze data, optimize processes, and make informed decisions that can revolutionize your operations. Pretty cool, right? The good, the bad, and the simulated. Flexsim 2025 explored. So what are the upsides of using Flexsim 2025? This software is like having a superpower. You can identify bottlenecks in your production line, test different layouts for your warehouse, and even experiment with new technologies, all before spending a dime in the real world. But like any powerful tool, Flexsim 2025 has its challenges. It requires specialized knowledge and training to use effectively, and creating accurate simulations can be time-consuming, requiring detailed data input and validation. But think about it. What's more expensive, a few weeks of simulation or months of real-world trial and error? Exactly. Speaking of challenges, one question that often comes up is, how accurate are these simulations anyway? It's a valid concern. The accuracy of a Flexsim 2025 model depends heavily on the quality of data you feed it. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. But with careful planning and realistic data, Flexsim 2025 can provide incredibly accurate predictions, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Flexsim 2025 in action real-world wonders. Now, let's talk real-world examples. Imagine a busy hospital struggling with long wait times. Using Flexsim 2025, they simulate different patient flow scenarios, optimize staff scheduling, and reduce wait times significantly. Pretty amazing, right? Or picture a manufacturing giant wanting to implement a new robotic assembly line. Flexsim 2025 allows them to test different robot configurations, identify potential collisions, and maximize production output before making any physical changes. But Flexsim 2025 isn't just for big players. Small businesses can use it to evaluate different store layouts, optimize their inventory management, and even simulate customer traffic flow. It's like having a virtual crystal ball for your business. Here's a question to ponder. What industries could benefit from Flexsim 2025 that we haven't even thought of yet? The possibilities are endless. The road ahead, Flexsim 2025 and beyond. As technology evolves, so too will Flexsim. We can expect to see even more powerful features, such as advanced AI integration, cloud-based collaboration tools, and even more realistic virtual environments. But with all this talk about Flexsim 2025, a big question remains. How does it stack up against other simulation software on the market? What makes it stand out from the crowd? That, my friends, is a topic for another day. In the meantime, if you're hungry for more knowledge and want to dive deeper into the world of simulation, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to visit beawarechannel.com for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes peeks. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like to see covered in our next video.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is, discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your, skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our BAWare channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website baware.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our baware.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our baware.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website baware.com. So see you in the next video.